Alright, so I dropped my brand new drill at work, and I'm gonna show you how I fixed it, and I'm gonna tell you what happened. I cannot recreate the problem, so I'm gonna explain it to you the best I can, but I'm gonna show you how I fixed it. So what happened was, I was at work and I dropped it from like 10 foot, I think, and after I dropped it, my drill got a little bent like this, and there was a small crevice over here. And so I bought it back home, and I thought, okay, I'm just gonna loosen up the screws and put it back in place. This plastic, as you can see over here, it came forward, and there was a crevice over here. So I loosened up the screws, and I put the plastic back, and I put basically I straightened up this bit over here, and I thought, okay, that's gonna fix the problem. But what happened after that was, after I put, my drill bit, and I spun it, and I saw that it was like wobbling like this. It wasn't straight. It was like wavy. So then I realized, yeah, something else was wrong, and it was definitely not the bit, because, like I said, it's a brand new set, and also the drill bits are brand new. So the drill bits were not at fault. It has to be the drill. You'll need these drivers. Let's see which one fits. I don't know what these things are called, but you can order these from AliExpress. They're very cheap. It's like $15 or something. Anyways, so this bit fits. So I'm just gonna put it in my drill over here. So you need a prying tool as well. Also, you can find these at AliExpress. Just put it here and gently push, and it should come apart. Oh, I missed a screw over here. Okay, so now, as you can see, there are two sections over here. So these two are separate, okay? So what basically happened was, this part over here, it has a bunch of gears inside, and I'm gonna show you what happened. Okay, so I'm gonna carefully take this off like this, and I'm gonna show you what happened. So these two comes apart very easily. At first glance, the whole thing might look a little intimidating, but trust me, it's a very simple design. These are planetary gears, I think they're called. So, okay, so you see this lid over here? First of all, this was a little out of position, okay? It was like this, so it was bent. So all I had to do was put this cap back in its right position, and I also think, because this cap came off, I think one of the gears was also a little off, like this, a little off position. But when I initially opened it, I took everything apart, so I didn't see if any of the gears were out of position. But if you want, you can do that too. So if you just do it like this, everything just comes apart. It's not very complicated. All the gears are the same size, so it doesn't matter. You could just put it in whatever position you like. They will stay in place, and then you do the same here. So see this? I'm just gonna put it back in position. Put this back. And finally this one. If it doesn't sit properly, just keep rotating the gears. And yeah, as you can see, now it's flush. That's good. That's what I wanted. I'm just gonna put the cap back on, and we're done. So now I'm just gonna put this motor here. You have to be careful when putting this back. You need to make sure that it aligns with the gears, or else it will your drill will stay wobbly. So as you can see, it just fit perfectly. As you can see, there is no gap over here. You need to make sure that there is no gap right here. This is the most important part. You need to make sure that there is absolutely no gap. It should sit flush. See, both sides should sit flush. Okay, so yeah, so that's how you fix it. And then you just put everything back as is. All right. And you need, like I said, you need to be careful. You need to make sure there is no gap. So when you put everything back in place, there should be no gap. Okay. And what I love about this is that Dewalt designed these things in such a way so that they're very easy to fix. They didn't make it so that once you break it, there's no way to fix it. They kept it very simple, and that's why I love these big companies, because they've been in the business for so long. They have practically thought of everything, and that's pretty amazing, honestly. So I really appreciate it. So now I'm just gonna put everything back in place, like this. And this one this one is a pain in the ass to put. Let's see. Okay. So this might not stay in place. You know what? I'm just gonna shift the gears. Okay, so I shifted it this side so that I don't have to so that it doesn't move all the time. So I'm just gonna try to put this back. And okay, and it snapped. And okay, snapped at the bottom but not at the top. Okay, I see what was wrong. So this was out of position. So if it's like this, it's not gonna work. So you need to make sure that it's in position. It's in the middle like this, okay? Otherwise, it's not gonna fit. So I think now we should be good. Okay, yep, as you can see, now it's fully flush, it's fit. Now I just gotta, oh, never mind, I dropped the gear, so I'm just gonna put it back. Put the sticker back, and you can tell if it's straight by looking at this angle. See if it's in the center, like this bit is in the center or not. So it looks like it's in the center, so I think we're good. So I'm just gonna put everything back, and let's see if it's straight or not. You can see for wobbles. And as you can see, it's completely straight. Another way to test it is just take some object and put it underneath and see if it vibrates. So there's like zero vibration. So yeah, that's how you fix a bent drill, I guess. Thank you.